My dear friends, let me ask you something personal. What if just one small habit, something you could do in 5 quiet minutes at home, could take away the leg pain you've been carrying for years? What if the solution wasn't another pill or a painful injection or some expensive therapy, but instead a bottle of natural oil, an oil you might already have, an oil that once you begin using it the right way starts to melt the swelling, calm the cramps, and bring strength back into your legs in just 7 days. Sounds unbelievable? That's exactly what Margaret, a 72-year-old grandmother, thought, until the day she stopped reaching for her heating pad and started reaching for this oil instead. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know what this oil is, exactly how to use it, the real science behind how it works, and how thousands are now using it for lighter, pain-free legs, and 3 simple combinations to multiply the results. If you're over 60 and struggling with tired legs, swelling, restless sleep, or aching muscles, this video may change your life. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video with someone who needs healing. You are watching Level Up Wisdom, where nature meets wisdom and where we bring your body back to life. Margaret's story, from heaviness to hope. Just 1 week ago, Margaret's legs were swollen, tight, stiff. Even standing up from her chair felt like trying to lift bricks. She avoided stairs. She slept restlessly. Her calves cramped at night, and she dreaded mornings. She thought it was just age catching up. But deep down, she knew something was wrong. Her legs felt like they were slowly giving up, until one afternoon, while cleaning her spice cabinet, she found a forgotten bottle behind the vinegar and thyme. Rosemary oil. She had bought it years ago after reading about its healing benefits, but never used it. That evening, when her legs were aching again, she did something different. She warmed a few drops in her hands and gently massaged her calves, thighs, and ankles. What happened next was unexpected. The warmth, the scent, the calm. It felt like something inside her legs woke up, and that night slept through without a single cramp. It was the first time in months. Why rosemary oil works so powerfully. Now let's talk about why this works. Rosemary oil isn't just an herb for your roast chicken. It's a botanical powerhouse, packed with anti-inflammatory, circulatory, and muscle-relaxing properties. Owing to cannin, rosmarinic acid reduces swelling. Carnosol fights oxidative stress in blood vessels. Cineol and camphor promote circulation and ease tight muscles. When you massage rosemary oil into your legs, it does 3 things. Improves blood flow, helping nutrients reach your muscles. Relieves inflammation, calming sore tissues and veins. Soothes nerves, helping you sleep without jolting pain. Ancient healers used rosemary oil to treat leg fatigue, muscle aches, and joint pain. And today, science is confirming what tradition always knew. It's not just oil, it's support in liquid form. It tells your legs you still matter. I haven't forgotten you. The 7-day healing journey, what you can expect. Let's walk through the 7-day journey Margaret experienced and what you can too. Day 1. She started her massage slowly. No pressure, just presence. Her legs didn't suddenly feel new, but they felt acknowledged. That night, for the first time in weeks, no cramps. Day 2. Her legs didn't fight her in the morning. There was still tightness, but less. Her flicker of relief. Sleep fell deeper. She even smiled getting out of bed. Day 3. Movement felt easier. The usual shuffle was gone. Her steps were smoother. She could water her garden without stopping. Day 4. Her skin began to change. Softer, brighter, more alive. Blood was finally circulating where it had been stuck. Day 5. She walked taller. Took the stairs with less hesitation. Her ankles didn't balloon by evening. She even danced a little while cleaning. Day 6. The swelling had reduced. The pain was no longer constant. Her confidence came back, quietly but firmly. Day 7. She looked at her legs and smiled, because they didn't feel like a burden anymore. They felt strong, capable. Exactly how to use rosemary oil for the best results. Let's talk method, because how you use it is just as important as the oil itself. Apply twice a day, morning and evening. The best time is after a warm shower or bath, when your skin is clean and pores are open. Warm the oil. Hold the bottle in your hands or place it near warm water. Cold oil shocks the body. Warm oil soothes. Massage gently. Pour 5-6 drops into your palm. Rub hands together. Breathe in the herbal scent. Start from your ankles, massaging upward in slow circular motions. Focus on the calves, behind the knees, thighs. Long, firm, loving strokes. Breathe. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Sync your hands with your breath. Finish with stillness. After the massage, elevate your legs for 10-15 minutes with 2 pillows. Let the oil soak in. Let your blood return to your heart. Let your body rest. It's not just therapy. It's a ritual, a gift you give to your own body. 3 other oils to boost healing even further. If rosemary isn't enough, or you want to tailor your healing, here are 3 powerful oils you can explore. 1. Arnica oil. Ideal for tender, sore or bruised legs. Helps reduce inflammation, especially after long hours standing. Excellent for elderly men and women with leg fatigue or swelling. 2. Lavender oil. Known for its calming scent, but its effect on restless legs and night cramps is unmatched. Used before bed to calm overactive nerves and help you drift into deep restorative sleep. 3. Horse chestnut oil. Used in European medicine to support blood vessels. Strengthens vein walls, reduces visible varicose veins, and improves circulation in swollen legs. Combine a few drops of any of these into almond, coconut, or olive oil and use just like rosemary. Your body speaks. These oils just help you. Listen. Margaret's gentle lifestyle shift that multiplied her healing. Margaret didn't change her whole life. She just made small, loving shifts. Movement, 10-minute walks every morning, no rush, just rhythm. 3 daily exercises. Toe lifts at the sink, seated leg extensions in her chair, gentle ankle circles throughout the day. Diet, added turmeric, garlic and berries to her meals, reduced salty snacks, especially in the evening, drank 5-6 glasses of water daily to stay hydrated. Rest, elevated her legs in the afternoon, slept with a pillow under her ankles, let herself rest without guilt. The result, she didn't just heal her legs, she reconnected with herself, Common questions answered honestly. Can I use the oil if I have varicose veins? Yes, just avoid pressure. Use light strokes and elevate legs after. You will feel the difference. I'm over 80. Will this still work? Absolutely. Age does not limit healing. Your body still hears you, still responds to care. Is this only for women? Below. Men need this too. Leg pain, swelling, poor circulation, they don't discriminate. How long should I keep using it? Just start with 7 days. Then keep going if it feels good. Some use it every night for months. Let your body tell you. What if I don't feel anything right away? Be patient. Healing takes time. Even small changes, less swelling, better sleep, mean it's working. This is about more than oil. Now, before this video ends, is something I need to tell you. Your legs have carried you through a lifetime. They've supported you when no one else did. They've walked through joy, through pain, through change. But somewhere along the way, maybe you stopped noticing them. Maybe you even started resenting them for hurting, for slowing down, for changing. Please hear me. They still deserve care. You still deserve care, not to look younger, not to fix something broken, but because attention is a form of love, and your body is worthy of that love at every age, in every season. So tonight, take 5 minutes, a little oil, sit quietly, touch your legs with kindness, and listen. Not just to your skin, but to your soul. Because healing starts when we come home to ourselves. If this video touched you, even in a small way, please do one thing. Subscribe to our channel. Like and share this video. And in the comments below, tell us your age and where you're watching from. Let's build a community of healing together. This is Level Up Wisdom, where every day we bring you closer to the body you deserve. Until next time, walk gently, walk with love, and never stop believing in your own healing.